Okay, hello everyone. Once again, I think you saw my first video for how to install the camera for the QIDI X-MAX 3. So, as you can see here, already got installed. Cameras here, right there, and this camera is for manufactured by QIDI. So once you got them on, you go to your computer. So go to your fluid, and then you go to your settings here. Go to settings, and you click on the camera. So once you click that, it will take you to this page. Excuse me. So you click on the add camera. I already got them. So once you add a camera, so let's just say do that, it will prompt you to this page, and then you put your name or whatever the name of the camera excuse me, that you want to be. And then screen type will be this one here. Just leave it as it is. And this one also. Just leave it as it is. And then you click on add. And once you click on add to that, then it should take you to go back to home, and you should have this view now from your camera. So there you go. Hope this helps. Again, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, it'd be great to click on like and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.